Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video is part 3 of the tutorial video for types of values in Python, and I show you the 6 types of value in the past videos. In today's video I will try to show you the remainder, and also I also give you some tips to figure out those types of values. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we back. In the last video I show you the value types of boolean, which means true or false, and I show you also the types of list, which is created by these types of bracket, and also I show you the what is called tuple. I think, yeah, I also show you the tuple. But in today's video I will going to show you the other types of, you can call it list, but some other types of values, and I will show you now. Okay, let's delete those things. Before I create these types of value, I can tell you the name. The name of this types of value is called dictionary, and we can access it by just calling the key value, and then it will return the value, which means if we type the key something text, and based on that that text have some values, it will going to when we write that text, it will going to give us other values that we put previously. I mean, it doesn't make sense, but I will show you in, maybe it will make sense when I show you. Okay, to create a dictionary, all we have to do is we have to write some kind of value. For example, let's say hi, and then to express it is a value, I think we have to we have to put this symbol, and then we have to, let's say 7, and then if we run this, okay, you see we got error, index error. Yes, I'm back with some research, and I got this error because this is not the types of symbol we are going to put. Instead of this, we have to we have to put this to create a value, and then now I'm not going to show you how can we access this dictionary, because maybe it will going to be more stressful if I show you, but I will going to count deeply for this concept. But just know that to create a dictionary we need to first put some value, and some keyword to access this value, or to access we have to put some key, and then we have to put some value that we want to use it, and also we have to put first key that just whatever we wanted to while we do some project. If you want to access this value, we need to specify the key, and for now all you have to know is only this thing. And if I run, and I will show you the outcome. As you can see here, it printed out the dictionary here, and then also here it will tell us the types of value. It is this thing, and then it is dictionary, and it's rated in short term. And then also in dictionary we can also add other values. For example, if you say buy, and we can put some number, and then if again we run this here, as you can see here, the key here is high and the other key here is B. And if you want to access this in for future video, I will explain how can we access it, but we can access it by calling this, and then it will return this value if you call this one. Okay, this is the first one. The second one is called you can call it you can call it it create like this df, and then we can put some character whatever we want, and let's say L, we can go with that, and then we can put whatever we want. For example, you can say hi, and then if we run this we can get error. Why? Okay, we have to put bracket before we do that. So here, as you can see here, it's called functions, and then if we print out this L value, it tells us where it is located, because we don't specify anything. But let me show you something. If we do that, okay, let's do something. This maybe it can hard to understand, but just in this video I just want to show you the types of values, so don't worry about what I'm writing right now. Spelling right. I'm wrong. That's why you okay, index here. Okay, just let's delete this one. If we did that, we don't have to put print. Now if we run that, we will going to print out this thing. Okay, it doesn't print it out. I don't know why. Okay, maybe we did not specify this. Here you go. See? Okay, this is for now. You have to you only have to know that some types of the types of value that called function are exist. That's all you have to know in this video. And then I also show you the other one. The other one is also, it is very complicated also for me also, but let's show you. This is class, and then we can just let's continue with L. Then if we do that, we can just again print. I don't know, maybe it will work, but if we did that and if we specify L, that okay, maybe this. Okay, all you have to do is for this video just know that class class functions are exist. All you have to do is this thing. Okay, don't worry about other things. Okay, okay, let's run this. Okay, we got nothing here. Do we have to do this? Nothing. Okay. Does that work? Nope. Okay, I know why my problem is. Okay, to use the class, just know that the class are exist. Okay, I will go deeply in the other video, but for now just know that. Here, as you can see here, the class is named main1, but it is called main. And that's all I have for today's video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.